Okay, so in the final twist to this labyrinthine series of videos, I just want to quickly run through, make sure that this is a correction video for I've messed up a few elements which need to be corrected for your character to work properly. So whatever you do, don't skip this video. So this is just repeating what I've just been through with regards to character game mode and the elf character. Also make sure on your maps and modes in your project settings you've got the test area map, which is what I've got, sorry, the test arena map, which is what I've got it called. So we're sliding forward and backward. So the first thing you want to check is your input. So I can see already that some of the inputs are incorrect. I haven't noticed yet, but the move right, the A and the D are both positive values, which means that if you move left or right, they're both going to go the same direction. Okay, so you look up and your mouse Y needs to be a minus value, so -1. Okay, so I have noticed that, I think. Okay, so that needs to be minus. So that's your initial main issues will come out of your inputs, just putting in the wrong values. So make sure you do them properly in the first place, unlike me. Okay, so that's okay. So there's still a few issues with the some of the actions. So the jump's fine. I think let's just move into. Okay, so that I was just correcting. I've got them the wrong way around. So positive minus need to be reversed. Again, just keep checking as you are going through the project, which is something again that I didn't do. Okay, so this is on the, you need to go through these and pause these one at a time. In this case I am in the event graph for the character, so it's the character event graph, and I've taken the Z value from the rotations and plugged it into the roll value, which is incorrect. So just follow these and correct as we go. Pause the video, and just if you need to find out where we are in the project, just go up to the top and look for which graph we're accessing. So again, we're in the elf character, so in the jog section we'll need to make sure jog is pressed when you actually press the button. So input action pressed, you need to put the tick on, and that's that one sorted. So back into the our favourite area of the project, the blend trees. So this is jog to walk. We need a tick, another tick, crouch, idle to idle. So I missed a tick here on jog to idle. Pause these one at a time, sort them out. What we've got here, prone to prone idle. So if it equals is prone, then so if is prone is true, then happy days. Right, and so then if we play that, we should now have everything in order. So this is all working with our own animations and our own character. There's a few little discrepancies, so I think the standing jump's weird. There's a sliding there. So I'm going to need to. So the going to prone is the oddest of all. The position's off. I'm not sure that it's running an idle there either. And it snaps back to the animations. So these are things I need to look into correcting, but other than the prone, everything is pretty much there. A little bit of sliding which I need to look into correcting, but just to finally note that there are a couple of errors reported, which are those, so I need to fix those, and that's that. Okay, bye bye.